Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited. We're taking a look at a manufacturer of fifth wheels that's been in the game for a long time, but I don't think it's enough recognition, and I checked out the inside and it looks absolutely beautiful. This is a 2021 Heartland Big Country model 3560 SS. We are gonna take a look at the inside first, then the outside, then we're gonna give you 3 things we love about this fifth wheel and 3 things we dislike about it. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone again, welcome back to another video. My name is Matt from Matt's and Will's RV Reviews, Towables. It's the world's only channel giving you 3 things we love and 3 things we don't love about every RV that we review. And again today, we are doing something new, starting the review from inside the 3652. Oh, that all right. Actually, it's not a 3652, but I just want to try something different and starting a new. So please watch the whole video and let us know down in the comments below if you like this new format or the old format. We're always willing to change and learn. But before we begin, I would like to say hi to Will. Hi to Will.
Hey guys.
How's it going, partner?
Good. I am excited to take a look at this. And like you said, you know, Big Country, Heartland, they don't quite get as much recognition. But when you take a look at this is nice. And
yeah.
It needs to be known.
Cool. Let's begin, brother.
All right.
All right. So starting on the inside, we're going to start with the living room area. I just gave the camera back to you. Now you need to... Can you open that big cabinetry for us?
Yep.
It's the Big Country. That's Will's nickname. He's
some storage up top.
Because he's corn-fed. We got that big storage up there.
Yep. Right
wow,
there.
Very nice. Very nice. Nice big windows. We got a ceiling fan right there. And everything. I like the valances going on here. We have these MCD shades, which is very nice. MCD privacy shades. I love this dark cabinets with the light color furniture. Right here is a tri-cushion, tri-fold sofa. You do have countertops, USB on power on both sides. We do have the Whisper Quiet air conditioning system with a ceiling fan right here. And then over here we do have more cabinetry. Now this is easier cabinetry to get to. A smaller person like me can get to it. And I like how it's side opening and not front opening.
Right.
And then right over here we do have the theater seats.
And we're hooked up to power this time, so not just the jump box.
Yes, yes. We actually don't have very good angle. This one's squeezed in here. But since we don't have a jump box today, we wanted to do something that was plugged in. And check out those theater seats. Very nice. You got your dual cup holders there. Remote storage right there. And what I love is that it is directly across from the entertainment center. Over here, we do have a nice cabinetry above. Hey, does this kind of look like the Alliance a little bit?
A little bit.
Yeah, I can see the similarities.
But, I mean, the owners of Alliance used to own Heartland.
Right. So I bet you they're going to the same people.
Probably. Nice
big Summit TV right there. The Connect soundbar. A nice drawer there. Oops, sorry, Will. And a nice drawer there. And then right down there, we do have a nice Furrion fireplace. And I love what's going on there, too. It just gives it a little bit more class and sophistication.
That's right.
And then over here, look at this. I love how it's not carpet.
Right.
Right? Nice 2-seater dinette. It does extend out with a leaflet table. Love the big windows and everything. We have your lights right there, and it is very nice, big, open, and spacious. Well, let's show everybody the kitchen.
All right. No MSRP this time?
Oh, well, we're going to mix it up somewhere else in the video.
Sounds good. I guess, should I start here?
Start wherever you want.
Okay. Got a little bit of storage there, the LCI.
Yeah, the lipper component slide out thing. So you guys will see that we couldn't get the slide out in the bedroom all the way because it's a slide out on a slide out, and I feel like it had to do with that lipper component thing.
Yeah, probably.
But it is what it is.
So right over here we do have the Insignia residential fridge.
Wow.
Nice big one with freezer down below and the ice maker with ice in it.
Wow, with ice in it. Try one of those ice cubes.
No, that's okay. Okay, and then coming over here, you got some storage around the microwave.
Yes, sir.
Looks like all soft close. Oh, maybe not.
Nope.
And a regular microwave right there.
Yep.
You have a nice window around the cooking area to let in some natural light. Solid surface countertops are at the whole kitchen. I love these stoves and ovens. The nice 4-burner residential stove and a turkey tested oven right there.
Turkey approved, brother.
That's right.
Turkey approved.
Got some drawers right there.
Yes, sir.
And then the pantry right behind me.
Oh, wow.
That's actually a good idea.
Yep.
Yeah, doing the drawers so that stuff doesn't roll around as much.
Yeah, man. Very
big
nice.
Pantry. Coming over here to the island, like I said, nice big island with solid surface countertops. Like, look at how thick that is too. Nice faucet right there, a little spray faucet, and solid surface inserts.
It's not thick. Oh, okay.
The thick look.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, damn, that's real nice granite.
Yep. Oh, and then double sink right there.
Very nice. Oops.
Coming over here, there's a little plug right there, and then some drawer space here, and some storage underneath.
Yep.
Right there.
Well, it's now time for the MSRP. We're doing it.
Okay.
MSRP on this fifth wheel here is $98,180 MSRP.
That's not bad.
Sale price, as you can see there, we don't currently have a sale price on this unit. And I'm not allowed to show it to you guys. But Will, if you're ready to buy this unit and this stock number, and somebody's interested in it, tell everybody what to do.
They can call, they can text, they can email, they can FaceTime.
Hey, 301-906-0962. That is my personal cell number. Or MattsRVReviews@gmail.com. Or the best thing to do is go to our website, MattsRVReviews.com. There you'll see a contact tab with 3 sections. If you're ready to buy this RV or any RV, click tab number 1. That takes you to General RV, and somebody from my team will get you the best price in America. If you have questions on this RV, not a problem. Click tab number 2. That sends an email to both Will and myself, and we will make sure you get the best price, or we'll be able to answer all your questions. What am I saying? Or if it's just a generalized fan question, click that 3rd tab. And Will, it doesn't matter if it's tab 3, 2, or 1. What's the one thing that's the most important?
They're going to get the best price in America.
Will, let's continue the video.
All right.
Show everybody that shower. It's now time for the shower test.
Okay.
But first
off, like,
wow. Look at how
nice.
big walkway.
Yep.
And before we do that,
washer dryer prep probably.
Wow. Huge in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Side by side.
Yeah, huge. Wow, very nice.
All right. Shower test here. Looks pretty good to me.
Wow. One-piece fiberglass shower.
Room, plenty of head space.
Depth, height, everything.
Yep.
And then over here, we got your medicine cabinet right there. Very nice sink, granite there. Storage right there. Nice drawers and drawers. And then right here, porcelain toilet, wide space, safe. This is a prime poop position. Bing! Very nice. And then over in the bedroom. Now, this slide, we couldn't figure it out. But if you look, there's a slide out in the slide out.
It's pretty cool.
Very interesting. You got a nice king-size bed right here. Man, there's a lot going on here.
There is?
Yeah, well, show what's going on over there.
Okay, you got some storage there.
Yes, sir.
Some drawers right there.
Yes, sir.
Some more drawers here. And down below.
Yeah. For sure.
Nice TV here, nice Summit TV.
With a fireplace. I love that.
And a couple more drawers down below.
Yeah, man. Very nice. Again, real nice king-size bed.
Yep.
And we do have tons of storage.
Yeah, and your washer and dryer would not go in here. So all this is like dedicated closet space right there.
Wow.
Which is awesome. And the 2 extra chairs.
For sure. Well, Will, the inside looks great. Let's take a look at the outside.
Okay.
See what features we got going on out there. All right, let's start right up here. The length of this travel trailer, or this fifth wheel, is 38 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 13,168. And Will, do you know hitch weight?
I don't.
I know. 2821 is the hitch weight. We do have a nice painted fiberglass front cap. And right here is your lipper component pin box. Coming on down the side, we have a little bit of storage. Wow, it goes through to that interior storage. This prep for a generator. Okay, okay. And then this is just your battery area. Very nice. Okie dokie. Coming on down the side here, you can see that you do have your propane tank. Does have 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. I like that. And then this,
wow,
very nice storage. Oh my gosh. And then right there is a great place for you to store your stinky slinky. We do have a water heater right here and 12-volt power right there. The more ride step above steps with hydraulic assist. Very nice. And wow, check that out, Will. They do use the Azdel sidewall composite. Cool. Now, Azdel is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. Very nice. Nice power awning with LED lights right there. Frameless windows. Very nice. And then look at these tires, Will. They're the
Westlakes.
They're the Westlakes. I love those. ST 235-80R16. And you have your MORryde CRE 3000 suspension. Very nice. Coming around the back, right there, that's where your spare tire goes, spare tire carrier. Do you have a ladder to get up on the roof? It is prepped to use a Furrion backup camera. And then right here is a 300-pound vertical hitch. It is not rated for towing. Do not tow behind it. Right here, look at this, 50-amp power cord on a reel. That's probably why they chose to plug this one in.
Probably.
Because all you gotta do is push a button. Let's see if we can think thin. A little bit of storage right there. All right. It's gonna be refrigerator access right there. Oh, man, that was one big slide out.
It is,
okay.
Yeah.
Right there is where you dump your black and gray tank. Very nice. This is the other side of the storage. All right, everything's heated and closed underbelly. Your gray tank pulls, your black tank pulls, potable water fills, outdoor shower, potable. And then here is where your propane goes.
That's right.
Well, that's it. That's the review. Thank you absolutely everybody so much for watching. Now, before you leave, it's now time we give you 3 things we love about this fifth wheel and 3 things we dislike about it. Will, what do we do first?
3 things we dislike?
Yes. You ready for mine?
Sure. The double slide.
Double slide. I do not like slides on slides. Slides already are the most vulnerable part to an RV, and having a slide out and a slide out is just making it even more vulnerable.
That's right.
That is 1. 2.
Okay, mine is going to be this hitch. And what I mean by that is if you look at that Fusion or you look at whatever's down here, Milestone, they all have, some sort of padded...
well, they have the Rotoflex.
They have the Rotoflex.
Yep.
Which it doesn't have to be that brand, but this is just metal right on metal.
Well, yeah.
Doesn't give any cushion, doesn't,
No cushion for the pushing.
Exactly.
That's why Jen loves Will. For the cushion.
I think, especially at this price point, right?
Yeah.
You get into some of the more economical models, I would expect that, but...
Well, what's funny is Milestone's also by Heartland, right?
Right.
Right, and that's the cheaper brand.
It is, exactly.
So that is a little weird.
Yep.
Good eye, Will, good eye. So that's 2, and then a dislike, right?
Yep, 1 more.
Okay. I know.
Yep.
The lipper component electrical system.
Exactly.
I'm not a fan of this. No disrespect. I don't like that, and I don't like the Keystone all-in-one or the what's it called? Keystone Connect or whatever. There's just something very beautiful and simple just about a push button.
Exactly.
I just want to put my slides out.
I like how they did it behind this door. I will say that.
Yep.
But yeah, I agree with you that just the push buttons behind that door would have been perfect.
Yep. Great, so that's 3 things we don't like about it. Now it's time for 3 things we love about this fifth wheel. I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
I love the way it looks in here. Very modern, contemporary. I don't know. It's a good feel. It's very big and spacious. I like the looks, the colors. I like how they didn't put carpet there.
Yes.
It's just really, really nice. And it flows very well together.
Yep.
That is number one. Number two.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the Azdale on the side walls. I really like the Azdale. It's, you know, better for the environment. It's more energy efficient. It's lighter, and of course it'll never delaminate on you. So if you do get a little water issues, it doesn't, you know, cause major issues throughout the whole unit.
Perfect. That's two. And then, Will, number three is going to be that hallway.
Okay.
Standing there again, buddy. Check this out, guys. That is a huge hallway.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is a big deal, you know.
Yeah.
These are as big as they are, they're actually kind of small and compact. Yeah. So to give you that type of space is a huge and nice feature.
Right. Like, I'm used to it, but like typically when I go upstairs or down hallways, I'm kind of like sideways.
Yeah,
you
you're doing the Will shuffle.
Yep. So, yeah, this is nice.
Well, Will, that's it. That's the review. Thank you, everybody, so much for watching. If you guys could, do us a favor. Leave down in the comments below. Let us know if you like us starting from inside or if you don't like us starting from the inside. It's a new format that I just decided to experiment with, so let us know which one you like better. If you guys have any questions about this fifth wheel, please call us, text us, send us an email. It is MattsRVReviews@gmail.com or 301-906-0962. It's my personal cell number, but the best way is always by going to MattsRVReviews.com and clicking one of the three contact tabs. Will, do you have anything you want to say?
Of course. All right, guys, this is a nice, big, beautiful unit. I really hope you guys like it. Make sure to leave in the comments below 3 things you like, 3 things you dislike. Smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Thank you absolutely everybody so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.